Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is February 20th and it is currently like 8:20 a.m. I have a late start every Tuesday. I go an hour later to school, which is mucho bueno. I love that. So yeah, I'm just getting ready. So I'll do my hair. I'm already dressed. I'll show you my outfit. So I'm just wearing, this is a shirt, you see, it's like a Calvin Klein, like long sleeve thingy, and it just has this like waistband thingy down here. I got that at Urban Outfitters. I'm wearing this bomber jacket from Top Man, these blue jeans from Urban, and then these old school Vans, which are actually my brother's. So thank you, Daniel, for being a real one. I'm about to finish getting ready. I was gonna eat breakfast and eat cereal, but I have lactate because I'm lactose intolerant, and it said it spoils March 26th, and today is February 20th, and I used it in my cereal without thinking about it because I know it wasn't expired, and I took a big bite and it was spoiled, so I'm very upset about that. But I'm just gonna eat some Ritz and go on with my day. Science rolls.
Hey, Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Get copyright. I'm just kidding. Just imagine if Bill Nye like copyrighted his like intro song.
Bill Nye is overrated. Bill Nye is overrated.
Where'd she go? Hi. What are we?
Kristen's gonna have
How's
cute baby.
guys? We're doing a science lab ASMR.
ASMR. Ew.
Yes.
Oh my god, no.
Okay, so we're doing a science lab and it like really sucks. So yeah, but we're like really cute with these like
We're
Gucci
really
glasses.
cute, like the Gucci sunnies. Hey.
This is like, just look at these glasses.
That scared me. Hello.
Oh.
Was it on?
Jade, say something.
Hi, I'm currently trying to print up my TED Talk speech for English. And the computer won't start.
Oh,
Okay,
how do you
what are
feel,
you gonna
Amanda? No, I'm just kidding.
Really me though.
How do
Like
you
I'm gonna
feel?
just die, you know? I'm just kidding.
Me too.
No, I'm gonna stay alive.
These are like, this is my fave right here. Maybe you like, meh. I'm just kidding. No.
Sorry.
I love her. Okay, so now I am officially back home, away from school. I look really red right now. I don't know why. It's so cold today. It's not like it's hot. Hi, Daniel. And now we're gonna watch like YouTube, like all my faves. I don't even know who uploaded, but yeah.
We're watching Santa Clarita Diet.
I wish it came out already.
We have a month to rewatch season
Oh
1.
no, my stomach is growling. I'm gonna go eat. Okay, guys. So this video that I'm filming right now is actually going up tomorrow, so I have to edit part of it today, and like I have to edit all of it today. But I also need to film my video for Friday. I haven't even filmed it yet, and I was gonna make beignets. My sister got me this beignet box like a couple months ago, honestly, when she went to New Orleans, and I've been wanting to make it, and I was like, might as well make it for a video. But as you can tell, my kitchen is insanely dirty right now, and that's honestly not okay. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't really want to clean it, but I don't know. And I have to use the fryer, which is already out, and I know it has oil in it already. I just have to like heat it up. I'm really scared. So yeah, I don't know if I should film it or film it another day, but I should film it today. Just get it over with, and yeah. My camera looks so bad. I don't know why. Well, I like semi-clean. I like position the camera to like kind of like that area, not that area. So I'm gonna get to, where is that? Shoot, filming. Haha. Okay, guys. So I tried filming the video. It was going pretty smoothly, and I was mixing the batter, and I realized it smells pretty funky. So I look at the box. I mean, I got it a couple months ago, but I didn't think it was expired that fast. December 12th, 2017. It smells rancid. It is so gross. and I want to throw up. So I'm going to insert the footage right here of me literally like finding out. I don't want to... Oh my god, it smells so gross. Ugh. That is not a pleasant smell, and it's not mixing well. I'll be back. Yeah, it was really gross. And like, what is it with me and expired stuff today? First, the freaking spoiled milk. The expiration date was a month later, and it spoiled already. And now this. What the heck was that? No, that literally scared me. That... What? That like, oh god, they smell that stuff. But literally, I was like looking at this cabinet right here, and I didn't see anything shift, but I don't know, something moved. That's so weird. Weird. I don't know, that scares me though. So yeah, now I'm gonna clean up this mess, and I don't even know what I'm gonna film for Friday's video. I'm screwed, but I'm gonna try to get a video up. I don't know what I'm gonna film. I don't know if I want to do like a sit-down video. Not really. I want to do something unique. So maybe I can make something, but I honestly do not know. Stay tuned. Okay, update guys. So I put together a little, I just looked up some things and I came up with a recipe, a little sneak peek. It's like Girl Scout cookie brownies. To be honest, I didn't have any of the ingredients. I literally had to look up for substitutions and just put something together, and I think it's gonna come out okay. They're not done yet, but you guys will just have to see if they came out bomb or not on Friday's video. So in 2 days, 1 day, whenever you're watching this, it may be up already. So I'm super happy. Yeah. Okay guys, so I know today's vlog is ending just where it started this morning. It's currently 9 o'clock and I finished my homework and everything. I had a science lab I had to do in Spanish homework, but your boy's Gucci now. I don't know why I'm out of breath. I just ran out of the stairs. I know today's vlog was really short, but if you want to see more of me, I mean, you can go check out my last video, which is my playlist video and other videos that I've uploaded. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get changed into my pajamas and stuff and edit this vlog because it's going up tomorrow. I've edited most of it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe guys and click that little bell icon to get post notifications when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked this boring like school vlog, because I was just super busy today. Went to school, did homework, had to film a video, had to edit, just boring stuff. And yeah, and comment down below any videos you want to see. That's just what I always say. So yeah, bye guys. See you in Friday's upload when you get to see what happened to those brownies.